Hi, this is Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation and Shiliguri Project Corner. And today's project is water level indicator. Let's see it's working. Let's see the requirements. In this project, we need different color LED, one switch, BC547 transistor, battery clip, buzzer, one bottle, one pipe and some wires. Now it is in off condition, so we have to switch on this device, then only this device will start. In the water container and also in the device, different labels are marked: 25%, 50%, 75% and full. Let's see how this device work. So when it is 25% full, the red LED will glow. When it's 50%, that yellow LED will glow. When it's 75%, green LED will glow, and when it is full, the blue LED glow and buzzer also buzz. It will indicate that our water tank almost full, so switch off the water pump. Now after when we use the water, if the water level decrease, light also start off. You just check here, when the water level decrease, that light also start off. Hope so you like the project. If you like the project, please like, share and subscribe my channel. एंड कैसा लगा वीडियो ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में मेंशन करना और जल्दी मिलते हैं हम लोग न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेके। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।